Okay guys, if you can't make it through this video, if you can't stay till the end, if you can't hold your attention for the next 8 minutes, you're not going to make it in this bull run, guys. Alrighty guys, we're going to spit some realness today because a lot of people are feeling the sentiment extremes. A lot of people are feeling like they want to sell their crypto. Is ETH ever going to come back? Have we fucked up this entire bull run? Now I'm going to show you some potential negatives that could happen before I do show you why all of you guys should be super ultra bullish right now and you should have no worries. Now, first of all, we're in this megaphone range. What can happen if we don't print a higher low? We can sweep the lows while still maintaining bullish structure. Does not have to happen. I'll show you why it doesn't have to happen in some charts in a few minutes. But if we do sweep the lows, everybody is going to shit their pants. The reason I say it could happen is because ETH has been mirroring the S&P pretty spot on. However, this is like from the 90s, okay? So, you know, you can take that with a pinch of salt. But what happened in the 90s for the S&P 500? It coiled up in this megaphone, then had one final sweep low before breaking out, printing new all-time highs. Maybe we don't sweep the absolute megaphone low. Maybe we just continue to try and play out something like this, which is on the monthly time frame. Could you imagine if February is another red month while everybody is tweeting at you saying ETH historically is bullish in February? Sometimes the market likes to throw curveballs at you. You're not going to be ready for this sweep of 3k, maybe 2.9k again at that wick. However, it would be a monthly demand zone. And all of you guys should have nothing to worry about because you wouldn't have broken down from any macro structure. Get off the 1 minute chart, get off the 5 minute chart, get off the hourly, 4 hourly, daily. And what's going on in the market right now is everybody is on Dex Screener searching for the next whatever the trending coin is. People see on Twitter, this coin just took someone's 400 portfolio to 250k over the space of 1 month. Follow me to show you how you could find the next Elon. When guess what? The coins that you should be buying are staring you right in the face. The smart money are showing you signs that you should be buying specific coins. I'm going to show you the 3 coins that I've picked up today. But what are the signs, Lex? What are the smart money? Now, many of you guys are putting a lot of faith into Trump, okay? What you guys need to understand is that even though this is Trump's organization, it's a collective of people. So it's not him necessarily going out onto Coinbase and saying, I'm going to buy $1 million of ETH right now. Hey, Melania, send me 1 million USDC. It's not them. It's going to be the asset managers. However, look at the portfolio holdings right now. We're nearly approaching $500 million. And I shared this on Twitter not too long ago. The balance history. Okay, so 380 million as of today, up 4% today. This on the left here is from the 17th. So exactly 1 week ago. Now, 1 week ago, on the 17th, you come to the ETH Fear and Greed Index. We were somewhere around here, guys. So we were still, I think this is still a little bit off. Maybe this created the greed candle. But we were pretty much in fear, and everybody was shit posting on ETH. You come back and World Liberty Finance said, forget that. We are buying for 3.3k. While everyone's saying that ETH is not going to have a bull run, it is over. It's the shittest coin of all time. I love going onto Twitter and seeing these things, guys, because it makes me very, very happy to know that I'm buying at a sentiment extreme, which is at the ultimate bearish sentiment extreme. In the past week, look at how much ETH they've got, guys. They've bought $170 million of ETH. You've got the wrapped Bitcoin there as well, so they're going to be earning yields. You've got staked ETH, they're going to be earning yields as well. And you come down, they've got some other coins on here. Link and Ondo, 2 ones that I've been picking up this week, guys. You couple that with charts like this. ETH is bearish. Look at ETH. Is this really bearish? This is the weekly time frame. Are we still just playing out this head and shoulders like we said all the way around here? If we're playing out the head and shoulders, guess what? We had to come a little bit lower to complete the shoulder. Breakout target is going to be around 5k from this falling wedge pattern. You've got higher targets, which we'll look at in a second on our trading view. Okay, bullish. Oh, but I think the bull run's over. Well, look at the historical data. The Bitcoin market cycle top is in when or just before the 200-week SMA crosses the prior all-time high. We're not even there yet, guys. And this is why patience is key in this market. And a lot of people say, well, we've been patient. Well, you haven't been here for years, guys. A lot of you guys have been here for like a year to 2 years. If you can hold on a little bit longer, you're going to do very, very well, because look where we are, right in this blue dot. Historically, going up until maybe October, that could be near where we peak, but we could be expecting some March to, you know, Q3 tops or highs for Bitcoin. And now, just to remind you, like, this is how you can start to change your whole investment journey, guys. Rather than focusing on shitcoins, focusing on, you know, all these different altcoins that you missed. Just follow the smart money. ETH, Link, Aave, ENA. Aave's done so well. TRX, Ondo, LDO, all being accumulated heavily by World Liberty Finance. Again, if you're following like the whole Trump narratives, if you want to be in with Trump, follow the World Liberty Finance portfolio. Now we come to the ETH chart, guys. And is it all looking that bad? I mean, on the weekly, we're still above the 200 EMA. It looks like we're forming a macro multi-year coil. What happened when XRP did this, guys? It had like a massive 500% week. Imagine if that happened for Ethereum. All we really need for everybody to stop crying about Ethereum and their alts is basically, what is that, a 40% move? And then everyone's in profit. Even people that bought up here will be break even. Now, I'm seeing a lot of crazy price predictions, and people sometimes don't use the fibs correctly. So what we can do is we can try and see how high we actually did go in the previous run, and you'll see we hit perfectly off the 3618. Now, to give an accurate price prediction of what could the blow off top be for this run, all you got to do, guys, is move it over to the low. Now, I'm not going to use this wick low. We're going to use around here. And what you're going to start to see is we found support at the 1618. Okay, we had a successful retest. This is perfect. We had a successful retest of the 1 fib, okay, earlier this year. That was an accumulation level at the 1 fib of the previous bull run. Blow off top is going to bring us to 6.5k. We hit the 3618 last run, guys. So it's going to be 5.7k. So anywhere in this range here, which we're going to mark up, and we're going to keep this chart here for the long run, is going to be a massive, massive, massive profit-taking zone for Ethereum. So that's going to be from the last run. But if we say, right, we're going to use this cycle's data, how high could we really go, guys? Right, profit taking right before the 1618. Then you've got 7k. The 3618 is going to be 15. Blow off top is 17k. Now, I'm not going to be betting on 17k. I'm not even really going to be betting on 10k. I'll probably be having like a lot of bids around 6k to 7k where I take profit, because I've made these mistakes before where we get overexcited in the heat of it. We start to break up, and then we found massive resistance at the 1618, 2618. Maybe we'd even get to the 2618, right? But look, guys, Ethereum, I know it's a bit of a fast-paced, serious one, but too many people are starting to get burnt in the market right now. They're selling their bags. I'm seeing everybody and their mother say that they're selling their ETH bags. It doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense. Smart money are buying. Retail noobs are selling. I'm also a retail noob. Okay, so take that. You could take this video however you like to, guys. But we're going to be covering ETH more. We're going to cover a lot of our altcoins more. I picked up more Ondo, because when you do look at Ondo, we are starting to break out on the weekly, which is lovely. We're buying Ondo all the way down here. Okay, this is fantastic. We've been buying Ondo for a very, very long time. We're still up 100% from these lows. Unfortunately, I wasn't good enough to get it down at like 20 cents. But 60-cent buys, I'm pretty happy with. Come to Chainlink, $26. Not too bad. I managed to pick up the majority of my Chainlink at around $10 or under. We picked up quite a lot of 6 as well. I think this thing is going to do an XRP soon, and it's going to have a massive move. Smart money are accumulating Link. Okay, so it's only a $15 billion market cap right now. 10x, $260. That is going to be the same sort of market cap of where XRP is, still underneath Ethereum. I do think Chainlink is going to have a massive run as well. So that's why I've been picking up ETH, picking up Ondo, picking up Chainlink. If you guys want a list for all of my coins that I have been picking up, you can go and join the members club, 50% off. That's it. That's my quick update for you guys. Are you following the smart money? I personally am, and so far it has worked out well for me. Now, if you want more of this content, subscribe to the channel so that I know you enjoyed the video. If you want to support my journey to 15k subs, click the subscribe button. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.